Welcome to this guide on statistics. Today we are talking about the weighted mean. You might know how to find an average, but what happens when different numbers have different levels of importance? That is where the weighted mean comes in. In a standard average, or simple mean, every number contributes equally to the final result. However, in the real world, this is not always the case. Some values carry more weight or importance than others. Think of it like a balance scale where a heavy object on one side has more pull than a light object on the other. Here is the mathematical formula for the weighted mean, denoted as x bar. It looks complex, but it is simple. The symbol sigma means sum of. On the top, we sum the product of each weight multiplied by its matching value. On the bottom, we sum all the weights together. Let's look at a classic example. Calculating a grade point average, or GPA. Imagine you took 3 classes. You got a 90 in math, an 80 in history, and a 100 in gym. But look at the credits. Math is worth 4 credits, history is 2, and gym is only 1. Math is clearly the heavy weight here. To solve this, step 1 is to multiply each grade by its corresponding credit weight. 90 times 4 gives us 360. 80 times 2 is 160, and 100 times 1 is 100. We are essentially calculating the total points earned for each subject based on its importance. Step 2 involves simple addition. First, we add up all the products we just calculated. 360 plus 160 plus 100 equals 620 total points. Next, we need to know the total weight, so we add the credits. 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7 total credits. The final step is division. We take our total weighted points, 620, and divide it by the total weight, which is 7. This gives us approximately 88.57. Notice how the result is lower than 90. Let's compare the results. If we had just averaged the 3 grades of 90, 80, and 100 equally, we would have calculated a 90% average. But that would be wrong because the 1-credit gym class shouldn't count as much as the 4-credit math class. The weighted mean of 88.6% is the true reflection of your performance. To wrap up, remember to use the weighted mean whenever your data points have varying degrees of importance, like credits, frequency, or volume. The process is always the same. Multiply each value by its weight, sum those products up, and divide by the sum of the weights.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.